NOADF feature. Roles versus database privileges. Let's examine the security module by checking the roles access through the database privileges. Suppose you need to control roles for add or modify, or retrieve, or for any other database privilege. Let's see how you can do this. From the Object Navigator window, double-click on Access Rights. Go to the second tab, Roles versus Database Privileges. View the privileges granted for Role 1 and Role 2. For Role 2, select some privileges and remove them by clicking on the back button. Now, there is only one privilege left for Role 2. Select Role 1 and add some privileges for Role 1. Now, we will check that for every role, which database privileges are granted and which are revoked. In another web browser, log in using credentials of user 1. Select the role as Role 1. Double-click on Jack Users and Roles. Modify and delete a record. Role 1 has been assigned these privileges, so you are allowed to do so. Next, select the Role 2 and go to Users and Roles. Select a record and modify it. A message box pops up indicating that update is not allowed due to insufficient privileges. Go to Roles versus Database Privileges section, select Role 2 and add some object and system privileges for Role 2. Go back to the Users and Roles section, try to add a new record. You are not allowed as the privilege is not assigned. Try to update a record. Update was done successfully as this privilege is assigned. This concludes the Role versus Database Privilege feature.